Hello everyone, it's Pinay New Yorker and I'd like to do an unboxing, my first for my YouTube channel. I've done this before for my other social media accounts, but I haven't really done it for the YouTube account. So tonight I said, okay, let's try this setup, and I wanted to show you what I got for my latest Glam Bag X subscription. So this is from IPSY, as you can see here. And I've been a subscriber for I think maybe over a year. So I do get the Glam Bag X, and I have another Glam Bag subscription, which sort of escapes me right now. So this one was curated by Alicia Keys. Isn't that fantastic? Look at that. I was surprised that there was a lot in this box, and I actually am very hopeful. It's always a mixed bag when you get your subscription. Some items you can choose, some items are there, and there's really nothing you can do about it. They're bundled together, but there are some options, and I'm actually surprised there's a lot of makeup here. I'm going to take off the foam only because it's hard for me to keep trying to not make that fall on the box. So let's start the unboxing. So first off is this Key Soul Care Hojicha powder with lactic acid, and it's an exfoliant, luminous exfoliator. So I guess it's supposed to make you look your skin look brighter and help exfoliate all the dead cells or the bad stuff off your skin. Here you go. Nice bottle. This one is a full size. I am layered, complex, and divine. I'm not going to read it in French. I can try, but I don't want to murder that language that I love so much that I actually tried to study it a while back. Okay, so that's the first. And then we have this, I think this is Danessa Myricks Beauty. It's a dewy cheek and lip palette, and it's a full size again. I'm gonna open it. It's sealed. I am a makeup lover. I mean, I can hoard drugstore, department store, specialty. I am also very adventurous. I can do the expensive brands as well as the dollar kind. So it depends. I've done Wet n Wild. I've done Givenchy. Ooh, look at that. So this is for the cheek and lip. It's a cream-based makeup. Okay, I'm trying to be careful. Very gorgeous. Pretty. Okay, so that's the second item. Then we have this Rosy Outlook eyeshadow palette. So that means there's more than one color in here. Hold a sec. Let me just grab. Okay. And that's the brand. Look at that. It's a little tiny, but it's perfect for an on-the-go makeup kit. So there's matte and there's the glitter in earthy shades. Now this one is Ren Clean Skincare Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Who doesn't need this? Whether you're young, you're old, you're 56 like me, you need help with those eye bags. This is specifically Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. So it's, I guess, full size. Most of these creams come in very small sizes, so I'm not surprised it's this size, and you pump it. Okay. Next is Tula Skincare 24/7 Power Swipe Hydrating Day and Night Treatment Eye Balm. It's another one for the eyes. LS Fashion Finds is texting me. I'm doing an unboxing. So here you go. I'm trying to figure out if it's a pump. Sometimes I don't like opening this because I mean to give it away. I mean, I have like maybe 2 boxes of this stuff. Some I actually use, But some it's like, for example, if I have a product I'm already using and I'm devoted to, for example, my facial moisturizer, I go Clinique all the way, shameless plug. I set aside what products I get of a different brand for others to enjoy. So this one is Go-To Skin Party with squalane, shea butter, and sweet almond oil. Give your body the replenishment and fun it deserves. Looks like so much fun. It's sealed. So if I decide to keep this, I'm going to open it. If not, somebody's going to get this when I go home sometime. Or maybe a friend over here. So that's for your skin. This is magnet. They're real magnets. So this is extreme length, powerful lift, 40% longer mascara. So it was kind of open when I got it, but sometimes that happens in the shipping. Very nice. Okay, so this, I guess, is supposed to make you look like you have falsies when you're actually just primping up your actual eyelashes. So this one is Turn Up the Base Versatile Foundation Powder. Well, for foundation, I go liquid. Sometimes I'll go cream. And I top it off with a powder cream. Look at that, very pretty, compact. Looks like it's magnetic too. And this might be a little dark for me. I'm a bit on the fair side. Actually, I also do lighter shades, but not the very, very white ones. Usually closer to warm tones of nude or beige. Those are what work for me. And these are Bite Beauty Power Move Matte Lipsticks. One is in Enrich, I'm trying to read. Oh, there you go. Both are sugar buns. No, I think this one I ordered. These are actually extras and not part of the, what do you call this? Not part of the bag for the month. Because I wanted to be able to share this. There's, like I said, there's some products I really love. So see, it's pretty light for people who like matte and not too dark lipstick. See, it's actually very nice. And you get the B. My taste in lipstick actually ranges from very subtle, but it always has to be seen. So I don't go for like the nude look. I always go out with lipstick, whatever happens. So I may go out without makeup, just sunscreen, or even without if I forget, but never without lipstick. I've been that way since my 20s and I'm 56 now. This is Flawless, the baby one, talc-free eyeshadow palette. I like palettes because it gives you choices. So you get to do more. And I also love that its packaging is the eco-friendly one. So it's not plastic. It's actually hard cardboard. And a lot of the newer brands have done this. And you can see it ranges from the glittery to the matte and to the dark for definition. So these would go very well with my skin tone. Like I said, I'm kind of fair for an Asian, but not terribly, terribly white. In skin tone, I'm describing my skin tone, not my race. I'm Filipino, by the way. So this is like what I would call you can't go wrong palette. So that's that. So returning the stuff that I unboxed to the box. This is my current Glam Bag X. It's the bigger bag, which usually pay a little bit more for more content, obviously. And it's always curated by a celebrity. And that celebrity for this one happens to be Alicia Keys. So it's so happened, I also have my other IPSY bag here, which arrived a couple of weeks ago, but which I didn't unbox. So here you go. Always comes in this sort of drawstring bag, which you can use. This one came with this lip liner in 2 shades. I won't open because it's sealed. So like I said, if I decide to give it away, I want the person to be able to enjoy it unopened. This kind of arrived banged up like this, because this one does not arrive in a box. It arrives in a padded pouch. So, oh, I didn't realize it's salicylic acid, which I don't know if I will try because I haven't really done anything harsh on my face except for those that were prescribed. For example, as a 56-year-old, I had melasma for a while. That's skin discoloration that looks like freckles, and my doctor prescribed something that actually worked, but I have stopped it because the melasma disappeared, and I'm supposed to resume it if it comes back. So this is a brush set from MOTD Cosmetics. I love brushes. I mean, I have a ton of them, and in my makeup bag, if I show you, I have probably more than a dozen, because I use a certain brush for, say, a certain palette. So I don't mix, and then I wash my stuff every week. One day I will show you how I wash it, because there's a method to my madness, as my best friend Donna would call her washing. So this one is kimchi, not kimchi, kimchi. And this is a bronzer. I don't do bronzers really. I mean, I'd probably use this for, say, as an eyeshadow. I don't contour. I mean, that's a bit beyond my age. I think that's, some people my age still do it, but I like my round face and I don't really want to change it. There's another item that's not here because it kind of spilled, and it's in the bathroom on my dresser. And I guess, am I doing you a disservice by not showing it? Maybe, maybe not. So this is the stuff from IPSY. I'm seriously rethinking my subscription, only because, like I said, I end up not using half of it. So like this one, this is probably an expensive product though. I'd hate to try it if I'm not going to use it. I'd rather have somebody who will use it actually get the chance to open it. So that's that. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. This is Pinay New Yorker. I'll try to do more of this the next time another box arrives. And I also want to talk about subscriptions in general in a future video. So like we all say, please hit the like button, share and subscribe, and hit the notifications button if you so wish. I do vlogs rather. I do vlog about lifestyle, travel. I am a Filipina in New York. I'm a 50-something-year-old mom to an 18-year-old. And I am the perpetual tourist, and I love to enjoy and explore life. So wishing you all a good day, and I hope you enjoyed my video.